So the Master Program in Econometrics and Operations Research is a program that unifies all the mathematical approaches to economics.
Yeah, so there are a couple of reasons why I decided to study here in Maastricht. On the one hand, Maastricht is a very international university and place, and also the program itself is very international, which I very much enjoy. Then secondly, we use problem-based learning as our educational philosophy, and that works really well for solving mathematical problems, because in the end, when you're stuck, you're doing this together and you need this interaction with your professors and your fellow students to solve the problem eventually.
Indeed, that is very small scale, and instead of having a professor that is in a big lecture hall very far from you, we teach in very small groups, and that makes the contact between a student and a professor very close. And in this way, a professor actually becomes a mentor of a student. So furthermore, even in the tutorials, you get taught by the course coordinators or the professors, and they bring their cutting-edge research to the classroom. So actually, you get taught by the experts in the field.
Within our program, we only have a few compulsory courses, and the rest of your profile is full of electives. There's a range of courses from across all the 5 disciplines that we have, from which you can choose your own courses that you are interested in.
Yeah, so what the program offers is a great mix between, on the one hand, mathematical theory, and on the other hand, a connection to practice. One of the examples is that you can combine your master thesis with an internship. And since it's such a small program and the professors have very good connections with industry, if you want to do an internship, it's very possible to actually get your internship.
Yeah, so on the one hand, we focus on hard skills that we have from mathematics, statistics, algorithms, elements from computer science. While on the other hand, we teach you how to effectively communicate and explain your analysis and results to other business stakeholders in and outside the firms. In this way, graduates from our program in Econometrics and Operations Research build bridges and connect, on the one hand, the mathematicians and engineering people to, on the other hand, the business, policymakers and clients.
A secret tip that not many master students might be aware of is that Maastricht University master students are known for being more applied. We have been trained in problem-based learning, but also it's a lot easier compared to other universities in the Netherlands to combine your master thesis with an internship. Whether that's in one of the companies here in the region, or whether that's in Germany or Belgium, it's all possible because we're so close to all these different countries.
Well, we see that our graduates have actually very successful careers, both in industry and in academia. For example, in academia, we see them getting PhDs in operations research, in econometrics, data science, but also in industry, we see that they become successful supply chain managers, consultants, data scientists. We see them work in banks as financial advisors and so on.